Which Indian region is the only place in the world where the Asiatic wild ass is found? The correct answer is D, that is Run of Kutch. So, Indian Wild Ass Sanctuary, also known as the Wild Ass Wildlife Sanctuary, and is located in the Little Run of Kutch in the Gujarat state of India, and it is spread over the area 4,954 kilometers. Which of the following is Earth's first artificial satellite? The correct answer is C, Sputnik 1. So, Sputnik 1 is launched on 4th October 1957. Hirakud Hydel Power Project is located on which river? The correct answer is D, that is Mahanadi. So, Hirakud Dam with a reservoir covering 743 km at its maximum level and was built in 1958 across the river Mahanadi about 15 km upstream of Sambalpur town in the state of Odisha. The oldest oil refinery in India is located at, the correct answer is D, Digboi Refinery, Upper Assam. So, the small town of Digboi is the remote northeastern corner of the country and is the birthplace of oil industry in India. So, Digboi Refinery commissioned on 11th December 1901 is India's oldest operating refinery and one of the oldest operating refineries in the world. Which is the highest peak in Aravalis? The correct answer is C, Guru Shikhar. So, the system is divided into two sections. The Sambhar Sirohi ranges, taller and including Guru Peak on Mount Abu, and the highest peak in the Aravali range, that is 5,650 feet, and the Sambar Khetri ranges consisting of three ridges that are discontinued. Which is the largest tributary of Ganga? The correct answer is C, that is Yamuna. So, the Yamuna river is a major right bank tributary of Ganga, originated from the Yamunotri glacier near Bandarpunj peaks in the higher Himalaya at an elevation of about 6,387 meter. It is the largest tributary of Ganga river and related with the Hindu god Lord Krishna. In which state is the tourist destination Ghum Monastery located? The correct answer is D, that is West Bengal. So, Ghum Monastery is the popular name of Yiga Choiling. The monastery belongs to the Gelugpa or the Yellow Hat sect and is known as its 15-feet high statue of the Maitreya Buddha. The external structure of the building was established in 1850 by the Mongolian astrologer and monk Sokpo, who was headed of the monastery until 1905. The boundary line between India and which country is called the Redcliffe line? The correct answer is B, that is Pakistan. So, on 17th August 1947, the border line that separated India from Pakistan known as the Redcliffe line, and the Redcliffe line is spread through the run of Kutch in Gujarat to the international border in Jammu and Kashmir, and dividing India and Pakistan into two different countries. On which river is the Salal project located? The correct answer is C, that is Chenab. Salal power station is run of the river scheme with an installed capacity of 690 megawatts, and to harnesses the hydropower potential of river Chenab. It is located in Riyasi district of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. What is the pass located at the southern end of Nilgiri Hills called? The correct answer is D, the Palghat Gap. Which of the following state is among the northeast state of India? The correct answer is D, that is Meghalaya. The famous Dilwara temples are situated in which states? The correct answer is C, that is Rajasthan. Which state is known for its sandalwood carvings? The correct answer is D, that is Karnataka. In which of the following district of Rajasthan is Kameshwari oil found? The correct answer is A, that is Barmer. So Mangla, Bhagyam, Aishwarya, Saraswati, Rageshwari, Kameshwari fields etc. are oil fields in Barmer district of Rajasthan. Which is the closest city to the geographical center of India? The correct answer is A, that is Nagpur. So Nagpur is precisely at the geographical center point of India and the 0 mile marker is located here. The distances of various major cities which are measured from here are carved on the pillar erected at this 0 mile site. Muga variety of silk is native to the state of, the correct answer is C, that is Assam. So Muga silk is a variety of wild silk geographically tagged to the state of Assam, and the silk is known for its extreme durability and has a natural yellowish golden tint with a shimmering glossy texture. The Singalila National Park is located in the state of, the correct answer is A, West Bengal. Singalila National Park is a national park of India located on the Singalila Ridge at an altitude of more than 7,000 feet above mean sea level in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal, and it is well known for the trekking route to Sandakphu that runs through it. The highest volcano of the world is, the correct answer is B, that is Mount Cotopaxi. It is the world's highest active volcano and the second highest point in Ecuador. The Great Barrier Reef is the correct answer is B, that is coral formation. Coral reefs like the Great Barrier Reef of the coast of Queensland, Australia, support diverse marine population in unique underwater ecosystems, and the Great Barrier Reef, which extends from over 2300 km. Matthew Dam, the largest fishing reservoir in South India, is also known as, the correct answer is D, that is Stanley Reservoir. So the Stanley Reservoir is one of the largest fishing reservoir in South India, and its main source of water is the river Kaveri. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.